Hi, I'm Tim Anderson with Original Strength, and today we want to dive a little bit more into rocking, the reset that we use, one of the 5 resets we use in Original Strength. If you're familiar with rocking, and if you've watched any of these videos, you probably are, but rocking just looks like this. You get on all fours, keep your head up and your chest up, and you rock back and forth. It helps our shoulders communicate with our hips, helps tie us together, sets our posture, does a lot of really good things for the body. But life happens on 2 feet, right? And most of the time during life, it's really on 1 foot at a time. So I want you to look at rocking in a different way, and we can do rocking on 1 leg at a time. We don't just have to do it on 2. And that looks like this. You get in the same position, but then you kick 1 foot out behind you, just so that it can be a kickstand for you, and you rock back and forth in quite the same way. And if you look at this position here, if you've ever done a pistol or even a single leg deadlift, this is kind of a similar position, or rocking, to say that in a different way, rocking may actually help you do those things better. Not that you need to go around doing pistols or single leg deadlifts. But again, you rock back and forth on 1 leg, and then you switch on the other leg. And ideally, what you want to have happen is that from 1 leg to the other leg, you maintain your pelvis in a neutral position to the floor. You don't want to rock and your pelvis spill open or go all cattywampus in different directions. So you want to be able to rock on 1 leg while your pelvis stays fairly neutral to the floor, while you keep your head up and your chest up and you maintain that good posture. So that's rocking on 1 leg, because life does happen on 2 feet, but it usually happens on 1 foot at a time. So give it a shot and see what you think. Again, I'm Tim Anderson with Original Strength. To learn more about Original Strength, check out our book, Original Strength, Regaining the Body You Were Meant to Have. You can also check out our website, www.originalstrength.net. And of course, you can follow us, like us, share us, and plus us on the favorite social network media of your choice.